Hello students, we are continuing the effective atomic number. I told you what is effective atomic number. The number of electrons present in the central metal atom after the complex compound formation is known as effective atomic number. It is calculated by the formula Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into monodentate ligands or Z minus oxidation state plus 4 into bidentate ligands or Z minus oxidation state plus 3 into monodentate, that is NO molecules. NO molecules. Now one more example we are going to discuss. K2PtCl6. First of all, you know nickel, palladium, platinum. Atomic number of nickel is 28 plus 18 gives 46. 46 plus 32 gives 78. 78 is the atomic number of platinum here. We know potassium oxidation state plus 1 plus platinum plus 6 chlorides total equal to 0. So potassium is plus 2 plus platinum minus 6 equal to 0 because chlorine is 6 into minus 1 means minus 1. Platinum we are getting plus 4. Platinum oxidation state is plus 4. Now what is the formula for EAN? EAN is equal to Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into monodentate ligands. 78 minus oxidation state plus 2 into ligands are 6 here. So that's why I am getting 74 plus 12, which is nothing but 86. 86 is the atomic number of radon. Thus it obeys EAN rule. The compound obeys EAN rule. So what is the comment? The compound is stable. Stable complex. This is a stable complex. Stable complex. Similarly, we discuss one more. That is CO cobalt, CO taken 6. Now in this one, what is the oxidation state? Cobalt plus 6 carbon monoxide equal to 0. Cobalt oxidation state plus 6 into 0 equal to 0. That's why cobalt I am getting oxidation state of, for cobalt oxidation state is 0. Now cobalt atomic number is 27. Cobalt atomic number is 27. So what is the formula for EAN? The formula for EAN is equal to nothing but Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligands. So 27 minus 0 plus 2 into monodentate ligands are 6. So 27 plus 12. So it is, we are getting 39. It is not equal to 36. 36 is the nearest inert gas. So it do not obey EAN rule. Do not obey EAN rule. EAN rule. It do not obey the EAN rule. Okay. The next one we are going to discuss. The EAN of a complex involving bidentate ligand. CO EN of 3 charge plus 3 for this one. Now what is the oxidation state? Oxidation state X plus 3 into En is equal to charge here. So X plus 3 into, that is, this is neutral ligand. That's why the oxidation state is plus 3 we have. Now cobalt atomic number is 27. So what is the formula for EAN? The formula for EAN is Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into ligands. What is the atomic number of cobalt? 27 minus oxidation state is 3 plus 2 into how many ligands are there? Here 3 ligands. But these are, I told you these are bidentate ligands. Here these are bidentate ligands. For bidentate ligands we write 4. each bidentate ligand can donate 4 electron pairs for bonding. 4 electron pairs for bonding. That's why I'm writing 4 into bidentate ligands. So 4 into how many bidentate are there? 3. So totally this is 24 plus 12 means 36. So it is nothing but krypton atomic number. So we say it obeys EAN rule. It obeys EAN rule. EAN rule. So this compound is stable compound. It is a stable compound. Similarly, we explain the EAN of another compound involving bidentate ligands. CO, EN taken twice, Cl2. The charge is plus 1 for this one. First of all, calculate oxidation state. X plus 2 into EAN plus 2Cl minus is equal to charge. So X plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0. X oxidation state, here charge is plus 1. So X oxidation state I am getting 3 here. Clear? So X oxidation state is 3. Now we go for the EAN formula. What is the EAN formula? Atomic number minus oxidation state plus 4 into what? 4 into bidentate ligands plus 2 into monodentate ligands. Number of monodentate ligands. Now atomic number is 27 minus oxidation state 3 plus 4 into bidentate are only 2. Bidentate are only 2 but monodentate are 2. So 2 into 2. So totally I am getting 24 plus 8 plus 4 which is nothing but 36. This is the atomic number of krypton. So it is following which one? It obeys EAN rule. It obeys EAN rule. So this is a stable complex. It is a stable complex. It is a stable complex. Okay. Sometimes they will ask the question like this. Sometimes they will ask the question to find the charge of complex, to find number of ligands like that. Now one question, that is what? Let us suppose they gave iron CO taken X. This follows, it follows EAN. If it follows EAN, if this complex follows EAN, then X is equal to what? Okay. Now we will calculate what is X value. First of all, you calculate oxidation state. Iron plus X number of CO molecules. This is the neutral one. Iron plus X into neutral ligand is 0 is equal to 0. So iron oxidation state I am getting is 0 in carbonyl compounds. Clear? Oxidation state of iron. Oxidation state of iron X equal to 0 in this case. Okay. Oxidation state is 0. What is atomic number? 26. EAN formula is Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligands. Now it is following EAN. That means it may have the atomic number of nearest inert gas. What is the nearest inert gas to iron? You know, iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. These are close to krypton. Krypton atomic number is 36. That's why on following this one, it will get atomic number of nearest inert gas 36. 36 is equal to 26 minus 0 plus 2 into number of monodentate ligands, we don't know. So 36 is equal to 26 plus 2x. Bringing 26 to this side, we get 36 minus 26 equal to 2x, implies 10 equal to 2x. That's why x is equal to 5. So x is 5 for this compound. Thus x value is calculated. Sometimes they will ask the question like this. If the compound NH3 taken 4 Cl2 X here, plus or minus X charge, follows EAN rule, then what is X? Or you take Y. You take Y. What is Y value they are asking? Okay. What is Y value? Now it is also obeying the EAN rule. On obeying EAN rule obeys means it has EAN equal to atomic number of nearest inert gas. Nearest inert gas. What is the nearest inert gas? The nearest inert gas to cobalt is nothing but krypton 36. Krypton 36. Okay. Now we calculate oxidation state. Cobalt plus 4 ammonia plus 2 chloride is equal to charge. What is the charge? Let us suppose Y. Now cobalt oxidation state plus 4 into this is neutral ligand, 2 into minus 1. So cobalt plus 0 minus 2 equal to Y. So cobalt oxidation state I am getting is Y plus 2 is the oxidation state of cobalt. Y plus 2 is the oxidation state of cobalt. Now you write the formula for EAN. The formula for EAN is what? What is the formula for EAN? EAN is equal to Z minus oxidation state plus 2 into monodentate ligands. Now substitute. EAN I have is 36. Atomic number of cobalt is 27. Minus oxidation state I am getting Y plus 2 into monodentate ligands. Ammonia is monodentate, chlorine also monodentate. Collectively 4 plus 2 means here 4 ammonia and 2 chlorides. There are 2 chlorides. That's why 6 are the monodentate ligands in this case. How many monodentate are there? 4 plus 2 means 6 are there. 6 monodentate ligands. Collectively 12, 27 minus Y minus 2 equal to this one. So 36 is equal to, on simplifying these two we get 39 minus Y minus 2, or 36 equal to 37 minus Y. So Y is equal to 37 minus 36 means I am getting plus 1. So the value of Y is plus 1. Thus effective atomic number is used for finding charge of complex and oxidation state of central metal atom or the number of ligands in the complex. Okay, thank you.